Good morning students. Today we are going to start the next unit of your syllabus in moral science, that is unit number 12, peer pressure. Clear? So in this chapter we will learn about the friends. Peer means friends. So when we are children, our parents usually choose our friends. Is it? Yes. When we are small one, you people also, when you are small kids, your parents choose your friends. Who were they? And they put us, your parents put you in the playgrounds. Clear? So playgrounds, and they decided that who will be your friends. So now that we are older, and we decide who are friends. Why? Because we want our friends like our own. Clear? Means those who are similar to us. So we decide our friends and what group we spend with them. We decided because we are now older one. So our friends, our peer, are people of our ages, those who are close to us, those who have experienced ones, and even those who have a similar interest. Clear? That similar interest to our interest. So they become our friends. So we and our friends make dozens of decisions, means every day. Clear? And each one influences other choice, means our friends choices influence to us also. Even our whatever we are doing, that influence to our friends. So peer pressures, that today we will learn in this session. So you can see that peer are two types. So there are two type of peer. One is positive, another one is negative. Means they have positive influence. Our friends have positive influence to us as well as negative influence to us. So first I will. It is this peer pressure is a really serious issue because it influence to us. Clear? So its negative impact when come to us, it become a serious issue. So first we will talk about the positive aspects of our friends. Clear? So among our friends we find friendship, acceptance, sharing, even bond also we find in with our friends. Even when we deal with our friends, they help us to build strong relationship. Is it? Even that positive, they give us lots of example to us. Clear? Even they encourage us to perform better. So they guide us. Our friends, our peer always guide us to go in a positive way or to go in a right path. So they listen to us. When we share our feelings to them, they listen to us. Even they give us feedback as we try out new ideas, when we explore our beliefs, when we discuss our problem among them, they just listen to us. So they send us lots of positive pressures, so a positive influence to us. Like friends often encourage each other to study. Even they try out our sports or follow new artistic interest in us. They always influence that we can they lead us in new activities and which help us to build new strong pathway. Clear? So they always influence good, positive way they influence to us. Then next we will talk about the side effect of negative peer pressure. Clear? So there are a number of side effects of negative influences also. Sometimes stresses come out from our friends. How? They make us pressure they to doing something wrong. Sometimes our friends make us pressure to something do wrong, in which we are not comfortable. Clear? So like they encourage us to do wrong things like shoplifting. Even they encourage us to doing drug or drinking. So means the things which we are not comfortable, they pressurize us to do such type of things. Clear? So the pressure to do what other are doing can be powerful and hard to resist. Such type of pressure is hard to resist, and responding to peer pressure is a part of human nature. But some people are more likely to give in and others are better able to resist and stand their group. So there are number of side effects are there. Like in many cases peer pressure take place and corrupt the person's attitude toward life and his habits. When the person grow up and realize he has wasted his time and he cannot go back in time to resolve his action taken by him at that time. Clear? So one example is there, like you have always had a dream to be a part of a good firm or be a very educated, and but when you get carried away by the distraction at young age, which result in a failure of your hard work and power to resist distractions. Clear? So always try to say no whenever try to face the side effects or face the negative aspects of the peer pressures. Now here are some way how we can respond to negative peer pressures. Like the key to dealing with negative peer pressure is self-confidence. So first of all, build self-confidence to say no to the peers, those who are encouraging to you to do wrong things. Be yourself, make your own decisions regardless of what other think. Then listen to your guts. Learn to feel comfortably saying no. When you know that the people who is behind you, who is your friend, if they are forcing you to do wrong thing, try to say no. Clear? Sometimes being with the parents or elder ones help us to avoid negative peer pressure also. So learn to feel comfortably say no. Then hang with people who feel the same way you do. If a situation seems dangerous, don't hesitate to get an adult's help. Try to take help of your elders to whom you are trusting. Clear? So plan for possible pressure situation. If you know you will be offered alcohol or drug, think how you can handle this challenge. Already try to think, means try to find out the excuses. Then we can avoid situation that may force us to do something wrong if you find excuses by their own. Listen to the mind. If you feel uncomfortable, it means something about the situation is wrong. So try to listen your mind. So these are the way by which you can say no to your negative peer pressure. Now conclusion. The effect of peer pressure on decision making is well established for both academic and practical scenario. Peer pressure affects teens and other group in the society also. Peer pressure can affect decision making negatively or positively. So society play a significant role in make decisions. So try to find out good friends who will guide you, who will take you in a right path. Thank you and have a nice day.